In this video, we are going to discuss about where does the data index get created and stored. So we are not talking about the data, index data. We are talking like from the UI. In the previous videos, we have created the index, right, from the UI. When you create it from the UI, where does the configurations get stored? The data gets stored. Yeah, we have seen like data gets stored in Splunk where live, but where does the configurations get stored? When you are creating the configuration files are nothing but the index definitions, right? So they are getting stored either in the system default, Splunk home etc system default, or etc system local, or if you select any particular app, let's say search app or launcher app or your particular custom app, then it will get stored in the local folder, the etc apps, that particular your app, and slash local. So this is where the data gets stored. Sorry, configurations get stored, index configurations get stored. Basically the indexes.conf file will have the configurations of the index created. So what we did is, let's go for this Windows index we created in the, you see Windows app logs, Windows security logs, right? So this gets created, and here we don't have any information apart from this app. You see this index is created in the app called search app. So in the search app backend, if we go and see, it will get stored. We can see that. So let's go and check. Take the ssh command. Okay, I'm already there in the indexer, so I'm clearing it. So I'm navigating to opt Splunk etc apps, search app, local directory, ll. There is an indexes.conf and indexes.conf. You see, we have different IDXs, indexes, and is there that one? Where is this? Is this the indexer? Now I am the indexer, correct? Okay, let me log into this one. This indexer, set, set clear. Okay, sudo su. Okay, that was the wrong instance. My bad. So I'm going to opt Splunk etc apps, search app, local, ll, cat indexes.conf. Yeah, you see Windows app logs, Windows security logs. So we have these two indexes. So this is where the index configurations get stored. And what about index data? This we already discussed. The indexed data will get stored on the var lib, that particular index name, and the db directory. So there will be a db directory, cold db directory, thou db directory for any index. So now let's check that one as well. So opt Splunk, the Splunk home, var lib Splunk directory, and if I do ll, so these are all the list of indexes which we have. Let's go for Windows app logs, cd Windows app logs, sorry, Windows app logs, pwd present working directories, opt Splunk var log, var lib Splunk Windows app log. So inside this, if I do ll, see we have db, cold db, and thou db. So this is the place where the indexed data gets stored.